guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Isha Goyal and this is my very first video. I am making this cute little hamper for one of my friends. I hope you will like it. These are the things we need. First of all, take a crate and make sure it is completely clean. Now I'm taking a thermocol sheet which is wrapped in a paper. I am using this so that all the things I'm gonna put in will come out very beautifully. This is going to give a base. Make sure it is bit bigger so that it will fit perfectly and will come out. You don't have to add any additional thing to stick it. Whenever you will make any kind of hamper, make sure that you will put things first before sticking it so that you will know how it is gonna look, and if there's any changes you can do it before, because once you stick the stuff you can't take it out. So make sure that you know how it will gonna look. Now I am using glue gun to stick all the chocolates, especially the dairy milk, because I'm not gonna stick it on the paper. I'm gonna stick the chocolate, this dairy milk chocolate, on the crate. Now I'm using this double-sided tape which you can find in any kind of gift shops to stick the Kit Kat chocolate. I'm using this because I'm sticking that on the paper. As you can see, it is very transparent and it looks beautiful. Just press it a little so that it won't come out. It's time for the flowers. Now I'm using glue gun to stick the flowers. There's a little pin in the flower and I'm gonna pinch it on the thermocol, and I'm using glue gun so that it will give a strong base to the flower. Before adding anything else, make sure that all the things are sticked properly. Now it's time for the net cloth, and before using that you have to make sure that you will find the middle part of the cloth. Now put the crate upon it, place it properly. Tie one knot only. And now I'm using a rubber band so that it will give a more flowery effect. You can see that it will create a difference. I'm cutting the extra part of the cloth. And please don't throw this, it will come in use. Now it's time for the ribbon. It will look good and hide the rubber band. Make a cute little bow. Here comes the result. It is very simple and easy hamper and so beautiful. Thanks for watching.